Okay, for A, we have this equation, right? 7 equals 3x minus 5. And one person wants to add 5 to both sides, and the other wants to subtract 7. So let's just work it out, right? I mean, clearly you're allowed to add 5 to both sides of an equation, and clearly you're allowed to subtract 7 from both sides of an equation. So both our strategies would work. So let's see which one's better. So the first one is we want to add 5 to both sides, right? And we get 12 equals 3x. And then we would divide both sides by 3 and get x equals 4, right? So that was pretty quick. The second approach was to subtract 7 from both sides, right? Subtract 7. And we get 0 equals 3x minus 12. Then I guess I would subtract 3x from both sides. I don't know, right? Subtract 3x. And I get negative 3x equals negative 12, and then divide both sides by negative 3, and we get x equals 4. Clearly, the first approach, adding 5 to both sides is more efficient, all right? It takes less steps, but they both follow the properties of equality, so they both are fine. For part B, we already solved, so I'm showing the steps for both approaches. But clearly, the first approach of adding 5 to both sides is the better approach.